You go to a big store and there'll be CCTVs, different place. They'll put a board, this area is under CCTV surveillance. That means they put a CCTV and they're informing you. Somebody could be watching or somebody is recording. And if we see such a board there, this is a CCTV surveillance zone. We are careful. We become alert. We don't do some wrong things. Right? In the Bhagavatam, it is said, Akhila Dehinam Antaratma Drik. Krishna is the witness of the innermost core of our heart, and the highest yogi is one who is devoted to Krishna in the innermost core of his heart. That is why in bhakti we cannot cheat at all. We may cheat externally, others, but Krishna is seated in the heart and he is watching. So we are always in the surveillance zone of Krishna. Nothing is out of his purview.